Okay, I just had a lovely breakfast at that Waffle House over here. We are in Warrenton, Missouri, which is a town on I-70. It's kind of like an island in the middle of the desert with some restaurants. And I noticed that this car wash, or excuse me, this gas station has a car wash. I'm sorry, it's 7:30 in the morning. I've been going since 5:50. I'm tired. Anyway, we're gonna go through the car wash at the gas station. Soft cloth, okay. This is a pretty big elaborate entrance. Alright. Please select a wash. They got the best for 10, the better for 8, or the good for 5. Of course.
Payment for your selection.
Please add a payment. Hopefully this thing accepts debit cards, because I don't think I have the right change.
Please wait while your card is being authorized. You have purchased the best wash. You may enter the wash that is ready.
Is this a tunnel wash? What the heck? I've never seen one of these without an attendant before. How exactly is this supposed to work? Okay, so I guess I'll get on the rail. Looks like a MacNiel system. Pull to here. Okay. Stop. Put it in neutral. That is interesting. I've never seen a tunnel system without an attendant before. Yeah, this is definitely MacNiel system. No? Yeah. Looks like we're starting out with tri-foam, I think. Maybe not. Yeah, it's tri-foam. Pretty generous coating of it, too. This kind of seems like overkill for a gas station car wash. Seems like just barely enough rinse to get everything off of the car. I've got to say. What, that old thing lasted maybe 2 minutes? I got tri-foam and everything. That's the thing, these tunnel systems, you get a lot done in a little bit of time, I guess. There we go, let's just in the drive and get off the track. That was interesting. My first ever unattended tunnel wash. Usually those things are only at standalone car washes, or places that really commit to a lot of cars every hour. I mean, at the gas station, this doesn't really seem like the place for one. But whatever, I mean, it did presumably a decent job. I need to get the windshield wiper on. Anyway, there goes my Waffle House. We're gonna go ahead and get back on I-70 now. Gotta pardon me for being half asleep. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. That is it.